Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to knit an elegant openwork pattern perfect for summer wear. The pattern is slightly transparent and consists of 6 rows and 6 stitches, 4 in the knit part and 2 in the purl one. To begin, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 6. Add 2 stitches for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. The first row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, purl 2 loops and knit 2 together with the slant to the right. Then make a yarn over loop and knit 2 together with the slant to the left. Again, purl 2 loops, and knit 2 together with the slant to the right. Then make a yarn over loop and knit 2 together with the slant to the left. The second row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, knit 2 and purl 3. Again, knit 2 and purl 3. The third row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, purl 2 loops, knit 1, make a yarn over, knit 1, make a yarn over loop, and knit 1. Again, purl 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. The fourth row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, knit 2 and purl 5. Again, knit 2 and purl 5. The fifth row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, purl 2 loops, knit 1. To make 2 loops from these 3 in the middle, pick the first 2 with the right hook and knit the first one. The second loop will become the first position. Next, knit the third loop, pick up the first loop with the left hook, move it above the other 2 loops, and drop it. Finally, knit 1 more loop to complete the pattern. The sixth row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, knit 2 and purl 4. Again, knit 2 and purl 4. I have presented a stylish knitting pattern that can be used for different types of clothing and accessories for the summer season. It is perfect for making cardigans, capes, and scarves. If you're interested in learning how to knit this pattern in the round, please feel free to contact me either in the comments section below or through Facebook messaging. I will be happy to share a video tutorial with you. I hope this simple knitting technique will prove to be useful for your future projects, and I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.